Hi all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. So today for the environment we will include free assets which is from the Infinity. So just go to the marketplace and it is taking time. Okay, and search for Infinity Blade. First is Iceland, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, Iceland. hmm Blade Iceland, this one. So you can add it, it's free, so this should not be an issue. Second one is Infinity Blade Grassland, this one. So just add these two, and I have already added in my project, so let me open that. Give me a second. The data extras Hitman. Yep. Okay, cool. And second thing, let me open it first because I haven't opened my project after adding those two. Okay, so these are the two which we have added, and I'm seeing that some folders are missing. I don't know why. Like the in the previous we have added the blueprint and the core one, if I'm not wrong. Okay, go to setting. Let me remove the engine content. Okay, so this is it. And second thing is when we were playing the game, so it was kind of static. So in short, like it is very static and it is not moving. So what I will do, uh, this one I will scale it and I will animate it. So let's do that. I think we have the animation window. Yes. mm, Plus mm, title scaling, press plus, and I will choose it. Okay, just to choose HP and score title, and by default at 0 I will keep this scaling. So I do want to play with the scale. So here uh, the scale will be the part of, like, you can change these property like the grip cursor, pivot, render, opacity and all. So I do want to change it the scale. So in the transform, in the scale, just press this button. What it will do, it will create the key. mm, okay, press it, scale. It is not keying that. Okay, maybe because it is size to content. Let Oh, okay. If that's the case, I don't know why, but I'm unable to press this button when I'm at 0. So what I did, I will just delete these and we'll pick this up. So right now scale is 1. As soon as zero point 0.5, I will make it 1.2 or 1.3 for the Y also. And again on 1, I will make it 1. Let's Yep, and let's try. And if we will loop it, I think it will be a little faster. So just to make them a little bit okay, I will just shift them like Let me delete these two again. One I will make it as 1.5 or 1.3. No, 1.5 is kinda high, so Control Z is 1.3. Here also it will be 1.3, and as soon as we will go to 2, it will be 1 again. Okay, let's try. Yep. Compile and save. And the next thing is we need to compile, like we need to play this animation through the C++ code. One thing which we can do, I think, like we can actually put it from the constructor only, or one way is like we can create one variable and we can set it inside the C++, and then we can play it from there. Like any way we can do it. It's not that heavy, so I will choose to like have the constructor here and call the parent. uh, this is the animation, and I will play animation. And okay, so it's a number of loop. I was expecting option like in the looping, but it is not there. So okay, let's try a really big number because I don't want it to end. Compile and save. Let me try. This is looking good, but the animation which is playing, it is kinda heavy. So what I will do, I will change it a little, like 1.1, very slight. Let's check. It is still faster, but it is okay for now. So this was it for today. It was just a small tutorial just to finalize this screen. I don't think we need something else here. In the next, we will be using or importing the assets for the sniper gun, and we will work there. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, and have a nice day.